Adani Group is not the only sector which is buzzing around today. We have a bunch of other stocks as well. And we start with Narayana Health. That's the one that reported a strong performance in the fourth quarter and the stock surging. We spoke with Sandhya Jayaraman, who's the group's CFO, on their fourth quarter performance. Let's listen into what she had to say.
There were a couple of factors. One, of course, our IP and OP footfall increased, as you can see from the numbers. There was normally, this is typical in the healthcare industry, that a lot of procedures that people want to do, electives, they don't do in the December quarter because a lot of festivals come in the December quarter and people typically postpone to the fourth quarter of the year, and a lot of the demand comes in the fourth quarter. We've been trying to do more and more with with our infrastructure, and therefore we've been constantly debottlenecking our facilities, and therefore we're able to process much higher volume and throughput within the same infrastructure across our facilities, and that's also helping us capture the demand that is coming in. We do not believe in the philosophy that whatever cost increases come, we just pass it on to the patients, because our philosophy is affordable healthcare. So therefore, we will be taking an approach, or we have taken an approach of moderate price increases. So we've taken low single-digit price increases in such a high inflationary market. We are pushing ourselves to deliver the margins through efficiency improvements and not passing all the burden to the patients. Now, we are confident that we'll do it, but there will be a slight timing effect to that. So we may have to take some impact in a few quarters till our efficiency catches up, and then we will be able to catch up to the margin level. So slight dip we may see, and then we will pick up. But we are on a longer term frame. I think we are confident that we can sustain the greater than 20% margin at a group level. So in Cayman, occupancy was more or less similar to what you would have seen in the previous quarter. Because what happens in Cayman is that occupancy or footfall is not, it's not a very large facility. It's a 100-bed facility, and it's not a very large population. So the way we look at in India, which is, footfalls and occupancy, matrices are a little different, more in terms of the quality of the service you can do, how much quaternary work you can do. So that's the way we look at it. Cayman is doing quite well for us. Our radiation therapy unit has gone live this quarter. So that will also start bringing in incremental revenue. It is the only radiation therapy unit in the island. So a lot of the patients who were earlier leaving the island and going to US for treatment have now started coming to us.
All right. So that's about Narayana Health. The stock doing well in today's trading session, up almost 6.5% earlier, was up in double digits as well. We take a short